Hi, my name is Marie and you're watching my YouTube channel Marilet's World. This is a short video where I test out this 3-in-1 avocado tool. This is one of the kitchen tools I got from my nephew's school fundraiser. So I thought this one would be useful on future projects or food preparation. So this is the knife part, the pitter, and slicer. I'm gonna wash this first and we're going to test them on these avocados. I'm going to use the blade to cut the avocado lengthwise. This avocado I think is way too soft for this tool. Okay. There. Now I'm gonna use this pitter to take the pit out. It says just press on it and then twist. Okay, that works. You can push the pit out with your finger. Now I'm going to use the slicer. See? Boom. It works, but I think this would work better if the avocado is more firm. Okay, let's do this again. Practice makes perfect. So what do you do with this much avocado? No, not guacamole. We're going to do avocado milk dessert. For this recipe, you just need avocado, milk, and some sugar. Put your avocado in a bowl. Break them into smaller pieces. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Add about a cup of milk. Mix them well. Test for sweetness. Cover and chill. You can also put this in the freezer for an avocado flavored ice cream dessert. Delicious. 3-in-1 avocado tool. It is effective. It's a cool looking gadget and it takes the place of a knife and spoon when preparing your avocados. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and product reviews. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.